Hi and welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Valorant Infinite loading screen. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first fix that you can try to do is to simply restart your PC. So sometimes a simple restart can be the easiest and quickest way to solve common problems such as this one. So when you encounter the Valorant stuck on loading screen issue, you can try restarting your computer and then run the game again to check if it works. But if the problem persists, you can move on to the next fix, which is to run the game as administrator. So you might also encounter a problem with Valorant if the game lacks administrative privileges. So to solve the problem, you can run Valorant as administrator. And to do that, just right click the Valorant shortcut onto the desktop and simply select properties. And then in the pop-up window, just switch to the compatibility right here as shown in the photo. And then just simply check the run this program as administrator, and then just simply click apply and then OK to save the changes. And then you can double click the Valorant shortcut to run the game. And then after doing this fix right here and the problem still persists, what you can do next is to check the network connection. So if you have a poor connection, you might also encounter the Valorant stuck on loading screen issue. So to get a more stable internet connection, you can connect your computer to internet via a cable instead of via Wi-Fi. So you can also restart your network device to troubleshoot network issues. And in addition, you can also use a VPN to solve the problem. And then lastly, what you can do here is to update your graphics card driver. So if your graphics card driver is outdated or even corrupted, you could also encounter problems while playing games, including Valorant loading screen stuck. So in this case, you need to update your graphics card driver. And to do this, just right-click the Windows button on the taskbar and select Device Manager. And then double-click the Display Adapters category. Then right-click into your graphics card, just like right here, and simply select Update Driver. So in the pop-up window, select Search automatically for Update Driver software and just follow the on-screen instructions to solve the problem. So in addition, you might also need to install Windows updates if there are available ones. And so that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.